I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your whole phone. Before you begin, it's absolutely crucial to back up all your important data. This includes precious photos, essential contacts, and all your downloaded applications. Ensure your device is charged to at least 80% to prevent any interruptions during the process. This preparation step is vital for a smooth and successful reset. For Android devices, start by opening your Settings application. Scroll down and locate either System or General Management, then tap on Reset or Erase All Data Factory Reset. You'll likely need to confirm your decision, possibly entering your PIN or pattern. Remember, this action is irreversible and will wipe everything from your phone, so proceed with caution. If you're using an iOS device, navigate to your settings, then tap General. Scroll down until you find Transfer or Reset iPhone and select Erase All Content and Settings. You might be prompted to enter your device passcode and your Apple ID password to proceed. This ensures only you can perform such a significant action, safeguarding your personal information. After the reset, your phone will restart and guide you through the initial setup, just like a brand new device. You can then restore your backed up data, bringing back your photos, contacts, and app preferences. Reinstall any essential applications you use daily. This process allows you to start fresh while retaining your most important digital memories and tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.